Hello viewers, in this video I will tell you how to reset the admin password of your Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 10. So first you have to go to the given link. It is also given in the description. You can go to the link from the description. You have to download the ISO file from the link and then you will create a bootable USB to bypass the admin password or reset the password. To crack the password, first of all, you have to download ISO to USB software or any other software like this. After downloading the software file, you have to plug in a blank USB. Now you have to start to boot the USB using ISO to USB software. Once it's opened, you have to select the ISO file and then burn it. Like this, you will be able to create a portable USB. Now close the window and restart your computer. Press F12 and go to USB storage device. After selecting USB storage device, press enter. Now you will be directly on the desktop of your system. It is because of the bootable USB. Now go to security. After going to security, go to passwords. Now step by step solve. As you can see how I'm removing the password. In change password, don't enter a new password and press OK. Save changes and after exit the window, you have to plug out the USB and restart your computer. Before restarting, plug out the USB. Now your computer will restart without admin password. Now you can see that you are on desktop. Thanks for watching.